Sister of Charity of Cincinnati, and I currently serve as the Initial Formation Director in the first area of formation for women discerning their vocation with us. And I live down at the U.S.-Mexico border, and my ministry right now then is working with these women in discernment, which I really love because it's such a privilege to listen along with women as they discover the call of God in their own heart's deepest desire. My initial calling was to be a family physician, and I was a Sister of Charity and a physician for 25 years. I think what I'd like for women to know today is that being a sister is your life calling, but you can serve in so many different professions. You can be a sister and be a lawyer. You can be a sister and be a physician. You can be a sister, nurse, teacher, accountant, massage therapist, a graphic artist. God can use so many women's gifts in service of the kingdom of God. And that's the joy that I find in being a Sister of Charity and working with women in formation.